Okay, so welcome to the second video in our Android Things series. So if you have not watched the previous video, I highly recommend you do that, where I talk about the basics of what Android Things actually is. And in this video we'll go ahead and first install or download our flash system, and then in the next video we'll actually be flashing it on a Raspberry Pi. Okay, so now to start I will have this link in the description. So let's create a product first. In the product name, let's just type it in first product. In the system on module type, let's scroll down to the Raspberry Pi 3 because that is what I'll be using. If you have this development module by Google, you can go ahead and buy it, or Raspberry Pi just works fine for me. Okay, so in the description, okay, I guess that's it. Now let's click create. This is basically an amazing solution to a big problem, which was like you had to code in C to work with microcontrollers, and that was really problematic at first. But now by the introduction of Android Things, you can use Java or Kotlin or some similar language like that, which is comparatively easy to write, as like looking forward to see. Okay, so now let's go to tools. Over here you have this setup utility which can get things started at first. So now click on download. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so over here you have this file structure. So now let's just extract it to some known location. Okay, okay, so now I have extracted these files over here. Now let's set up with the Linux file. If you are using Windows, you can very well do this. Okay, so now I guess it is loading. So well, I would really like to know if you want to, like, if you are really excited with Android Things, or what are you most excited from the recent Google I/O 18 talk, because there are a lot of things going around. I'm looking forward to make a dedicated TensorFlow neural network, or to make a neural network from scratch video. I would really like it if you comment about it and let me know as how you want to go ahead. And yes, so while this loads, I'll get my Raspberry Pi. And yes, first of all, thanks for watching right now, and stay tuned because I'll immediately get my Raspberry Pi, and then we'll start flashing this Android Things setup on an SD card, and which we'll then use on the Raspberry Pi to then be creating our own Androids or our own operating system, which will which will basically accomplish a very simple task of blinking an LED based on a set time interval. And yes, that is, I guess, is good to start, but I would really like to know what you people want me to cover in this Android Things series. If there is something which you want me to make, or which you want to see me make, then please let me know in the comment section, because you are the people who will drive this Android Things series forward. So please let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, feel free to share and subscribe, because I am exploring this new idea of learning together. And yes, thanks for watching.